Hello everyone, and welcome to the PlanForm tutorial. In this video we'll explain how to use the annotation tools on Mac to add, delete, and adjust markups directly on your drawings. We will introduce the following 7 types of tools in sequence: line, pen, highlight, text, sequence, markup and erase. Line tool. During drawing review or design annotation, it's often necessary to draw reference lines. For alignment or positioning, click the Line tool. Select a start point and an end point on the drawing, and you can easily draw a straight line. Hold the Shift key to lock the line to horizontal or vertical orientation. You can also input a specific length value to draw a line with precise dimensions. After drawing, you can always adjust the line's color, width and style to suit different annotation needs. Highlight tool. During drawing review, or when emphasizing key information, highlighting crucial content is often necessary. The highlight tool offers 3 modes: highlight pen for freehand highlighting, highlight rectangle for box selecting areas, highlight polygon for precise custom-shaped highlighting. After applying a highlight, you can always adjust its color and border style to match your annotation updates. Text tool. Adding clear text annotations is essential. During drawing review or design illustration, the text function includes 2 modes: single-line text and multi-line text. Let's see how to use them. Single-line text is suitable for short labels. Select single-line text, enter your content, click OK, and place it on the drawing. Multi-line text is ideal for detailed notes or lists. Use multi-line text to enter multiple lines of content by pressing Enter after each line. After placing it forms a single text block that can be adjusted as a whole. All text supports in-place editing. Double-click to modify content, and you can always adjust the style, position and size. Sequence tool. During drawing review or on-site briefing, you often need to mark multiple locations in order. The sequence tool helps you quickly and automatically add numbered markers. Click the sequence button. Customize the starting number, prefix, suffix and style in the settings. After confirming, simply click sequentially on the drawing to generate numbered markers automatically, significantly improving marking efficiency. You can also click on any number to select and modify it, or export the entire sequence as a table to generate inspection checklists or construction step documentation. Markup tool. During drawing review, design communication, or on-site briefings, visual markups are often needed to highlight key points. Markup tool provides a series of efficient and intuitive marking methods. Click the Pen tool. Hold down the left mouse button to draw freely as if on paper, and adjust the stroke color and thickness at any time. Use the arrow tool to quickly point to critical components or details. Select the leader tool to attach text notes, making annotations clearer. You can use the rectangle, ellipse, or polygon tools to outline important areas, suitable for marking equipment zones, construction scopes or design changes. Cloud callouts are commonly used for revision notes or highlighting key areas. You can also insert on-site photos or reference images directly, allowing drawing to reality comparison. All these markups support real-time editing. Adjust styles, move positions or modify sizes to keep your annotations clear and organized. Erase tool. During the annotation process, you may sometimes need to delete or correct certain marks. The erase tool provides flexible cleanup functions, allowing you to easily manage drawing annotations. Use the erase tool like an eraser to locally remove strokes, highlights or shape marks. Select the Erase Comment tool. Move the cursor over the annotation, and left-click to delete it. If you want to delete all annotations at once, use Clear All Comments. The entire document will return to its original state. Using these annotation tools, you can more effectively express intent, document issues, and communicate changes on your drawings. Thanks for watching.